Another biodigester construction taking place in Ekpenukum in Uran local government. This is the first, I think this is the first biodigester ever made in this community. You can see this is a so-called pit. So the pipe has been laid here down to the soak pit. Good biodigester construction here in Ekpenukum. These are the slabs for the digester. So now they are packing the soak pit. We want to pack it very well before covering. Yeah, this is a finish job. We finish installing the fiber net, and we have some materials under for treatment and deodorant. Yes, this particular size of biodigester can take you up to 10 to 15 years before changing the beddings. If you need one, you can contact us. We are fully ready for you.